what I did was I sprayed this with fixative, and then I'll cut it, and then I'll cold blue the lines so they're dark, and then I'll take a little acetone and take the fixative off, and it won't mess up the color case hardening. Just a way of cheating it, so to speak. A lot of guys frown on that, but people that don't want to spend the money to refinish a gun just because they engrave it, it's a way to be able to have the best of both worlds.
So this guy's just after the engraving, matching the rest of the gun as far as to color.
Yeah, I'm going to keep all the color on the case, and then I'll just darken the lines the way I'm doing it. And by coating this with the fixative first, the cold blue won't attack the color case colors.